Welcome to Galaxy India Toon TV.
Hello kids, it's time to play around with vowels. That is, the letters A, E, I, O and U. Let us start with letter A.
C-A-B, cab, a cab. I am a cab. F-A-N, fan, a fan. I am a fan. M-A-D, mat, a mat. I am a mat. M-A-N, man, a man. I am a man. H-A-T, hat, a hat. I am a hat. B-A-T, bat, a bat. I am a bat.
Now, since you have understood it well, let's read the coming words aloud. Ball, call, fall, hall, mall, tall, wall, pal, cat, rat, pack, sat, can, pan, ran, tan, van, jam, sam, lamb, band, land, lamb, and that. If you like this video, then there is lot more. Keep following for more fun activities.